Hey everybody, it's Miss Dukes here. I am coming to you from my house. All right, so today is a big day. We are starting our incubation process with chicken eggs. So we have been talking about oviparous animals. Oviparous animals are the ones that hatch from eggs. Okay, so it's not just birds, it could be reptiles, it could even be mammals, like we talked about echidna, right? They lay eggs. Well, I don't have any echidnas laying around, but I do have chickens that lay eggs. And usually in nature is the mama hen that will sit on the eggs and hatch them. But hen has to want to do that in order to hatch them, because hen may lay eggs, but then she's not going to want to sit on them, right? And then you collect the eggs and you eat them. You make nice scrambled eggs. When hen wants to sit on eggs, it's called the hen is broody, and she will sit on the eggs till the babies hatch. If mama hen was doing this, unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to observe the whole process because mama would be very protective of her eggs. So there is another way of doing this. It is called egg incubator. So I'm going to be putting eggs in an incubator today. All right, I was going to show you each step. Okay, so this is the bottom of the incubator. It is made out of styrofoam, so it holds heat and moisture very nicely. There's a little bit of ridges, as you can see. That's where I will be putting a little bit of water to keep the humidity just right for the eggs. And this is called an egg turner. You plug it in and it sways back and forth very slowly, turning the eggs. Because guess what? In nature, if mama hen was sitting on the eggs, she would use her beak to gently turn her eggs each day. So this is doing that thing for the eggs. So I'm going to put the egg turner inside of my bottom of the incubator, and then I'm going to go get the eggs. All right, so I have the bottom of the incubator ready for the eggs. This particular one holds about 41 eggs. We're not going to load it all the way to capacity, but we will have 30 something eggs. But I want to tell you something really cool about the eggs. So the eggs that my hens lay, that I keep in my backyard, are light brown, darker brown, and then white. I have one white hen that lays white eggs. So the fun thing about this is that last year, hold on, Mateo.
Okay.
Say hi, Mateo.
Hi.
Last year, we did exact same thing with chicken eggs, and we had a few hatch, and I decided to keep them and raise them. And these eggs come from those exact same chickens that were hatched a year ago with my other first grade class. So it's like a circle of life. It's so exciting. So those eggs come from the hens that I hatched a year ago. Now, I have some other eggs that come from a friend of mine that keeps chickens as well. So hers are, you can't really tell. They kind of look white on the camera.
Linda.
It's from Miss Linda, yes. They look white on the camera, but they actually are like a really, really, really light shade of blue and green. The breed of the chicken is called Easter Egger. And then this came from Miss Linda as well. And this is from a chicken called Buff Orpington, because just like dogs, there's different breeds of chickens. And then I have some really, really dark brown eggs. And they are from a breed called Black Copper Moran chickens.
What are they?
So I have, they are dark. They're like, the hands are like gray color or black, and the roosters will have brown on their necks.
So
there's 12 of those black copper maroons, and then we have more of our backyard chickens here. And what I wrote on them is the date when the egg was laid. All right, so we're gonna start putting the eggs in an incubator, and Mateo is going to help me. Hang on, Mateo. Hang on.
Okay.
You want to put it the narrow side down.
The
pointy side, put it down. Okay. So Mateo, we're gonna start placing them at the top. Okay. Okay. So Mateo will be placing.
This one's big.
Yeah, some of the eggs are really big. Yes, you are correct. So Mateo will place the eggs for us, load the incubator, and we will be right back. All right, so the incubator is ready to go. We have how many eggs, Mateo? 38. 38 eggs.
All right.
Now, keep in mind, not all of them will hatch. Same thing happens in nature. Not all eggs always hatch. And unfortunately, not all little birdies will survive either. That's part of the nature as well. So we have it loaded on the egg turner, and we're about to plug it in and get it going. All right, here we go. We have the top of the incubator. Okay, everything is plugged in.
And
the eggs, it is heating up. Okay, so the temperature is set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now, we just plugged it in, so it's climbing. That's why you are seeing that red light flashing. Once it gets to 100, it will stop flashing. Also, look, it says day 1.
Wait, how hot did you have it last time?
100 degrees. Okay, look, it says day 1. It takes 21 days, so 3 weeks for the chickens to hatch. And then the 26%, that's humidity. I added a little bit of water on the bottom of the incubator because we want to keep it warm and moist. And we want the humidity to climb probably to about 50%, 60%, and it will do that. All right, so I will see you guys back on day 4, maybe 5, and we're going to do what's called egg candling to see if the little baby embryos started developing. That's going to be exciting. All right, see you guys then.